I'm just wondering, what are you grateful for? I know what I'm grateful for today. Well, the day is finally here, the big day. The little stones on the Grace Trail, the Plymouth Seaside Grace Trail, are growing up today. They're going from the stones that I've been placing for 12 years, putting the stones down for people to enjoy, to learn from, to share and give back. Those little inspiration and those question stones are being replaced today with 300-pound boulders with the word and the question on each. This is an amazing day. I couldn't be happier. What can you embrace as possible in your life?